first loves! So for this video, I am going to share with you this violet eye look that I created all out of this Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. Let's get started.
been a while.
So before I give you my final verdict, I am going to share with you swatches of this Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette.
It's been a while, been a while, been a while.
There you have it, everybody. I was able to share with you how I created this look, very violet, using this Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette, and I hope that you like it as much as I enjoyed filming this video, doing this eye look and the swatches. And I also have used brushes from BH Cosmetics for the very first time, and that will be on a separate video giving you a review about this particular brush set. So yes, and my final thoughts about this palette is that I think it was good. I was able to use half of the palette, except for Optimize. Actually, I wasn't able to use this part of the palette that's like a more wearable one, just from here up to here. And I think that everything's okay. Some of the shades are a little bit powdery, and then I have a lot of fallout. I think that was specifically with Purple Dust. Cyberpunk was very, very pretty. I love that so much. I just wish that Digital, this black color here, is matte and very black. It is okay, but I just wish that it was like just a plain black matte one, and that could have been very perfect. Lucid, I wanted to put like all over the inner corner, but I changed my mind. I scratched that, and then I just used warning rather, and I just used that in the inner corner around here. And yes, that will be how I made this eye look, and just a little bit of Lucid on the brow bone instead, right there underneath the arc of my eyebrow. So there you go, and that's it, everybody. Do I like it? Yes. And I just wanted to go ahead and play with it more and know about this palette more. So yeah. Do I think it's worth buying? I saw it on sale. It's okay for when you buy it on sale for the full price. I don't think that any makeup is worth buying for full price. Actually, that's my own opinion, because I like buying items on sale instead. So that will be it, and see you on my next video. If you wanted to know more about me and want to see my other videos, go ahead and check it out. I have an entire playlist of makeup looks. I do a lot of videos, perfumes, gadgets unboxing, vlogs, everything fierce. So hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya!